Hey, if you want to pair your Huawei FreeBuds SE with your Android tablet, first of all you have to open this case, input both earbuds inside, click and hold on this button, and now simply take a look on the indicator. When it starts blinking white, you have to release that button, put this case open and close to your tablet. Next you have to go to the settings. Right now open the Bluetooth settings, click on the switcher to turn on the Bluetooth. And now from available devices list you can select Huawei FreeBuds SE. And after a few seconds we can accept the pairing. We are right now connected, and you can also download the Huawei AI Life application, and you will unlock some other features like gestures, for example, or updating the software. And yeah, that's all. If this tutorial was useful, please subscribe to my channel. Bye!